Hello everyone, this is Peter Lin. Today we are going to talking about the intentions for laminating EVA glass with decorative inserts. The difference between the laminating EVA film and laminating PVB film is that EVA film's melt index is higher than the PVB film, so glass laminating with EVA film is more convenient to seam with some decorative inserts inside, like a fabric or paper or metal inserts. If you want to make laminated glass with decorative inserts, EVA film is a bad choice. It's a bad choice to make decorative laminated glass seam with all kinds of decorative inserts by EVA film. But there are some tips. Every time you adopt new decorative inserts, make sure you do some tests to check if the insert is friendly with EVA film. Maybe because of the printing ink or other dye materials, the decorative inserts may have some chemical substances that can do harm to EVA film. So every time if you try new decorative inserts, please make sure that decorative inserts is friendly with EVA film, and also make sure the design of the decorative inserts dry already before laminating with EVA film. If the design is printed, make sure the design is already dried before laminating with EVA film. Make sure the decorative inserts is dry already before laminating with EVA film. Third, make sure you understand how high temperatures the decorative inserts can stand. The inserts should stand higher temperatures than the EVA film processing temperature. The inserts should stand higher temperature than the EVA film processing temperature. Let's review for one more time. Today we are talking about the intentions of laminating EVA laminated glasses with decorative inserts. EVA film is higher in melt index, so is a bad choice to make decorative laminated glass with all kinds of decorative inserts by EVA film. And there are three tips you should pay attention to. Tip 1. Every time you try new decorative inserts, make sure the inserts is friendly with EVA film. Second, if the design of the decorative inserts is by printing, make sure the decorative inserts is dry already before laminating with EVA film. Third, make sure that inserts can stand higher temperature than the EVA film processing temperature. And if you have more questions or if you want to order EVA film, please simply send us an email and you may expect answers in 12 hours. Please contact Peter Lin. Our mail address is cnc@cncglass.com. Backup mail address is cnc@cncva.com. And you can also contact us on WhatsApp or WeChat app. Thanks very much for your watching.